The Wheelchair Basketball Federation of India organized a three-day basketball event in Shillong, promoting inclusivity and physical well-being for individuals with disability. WBFI President Varun Lawat called for government support for wheelchair basketball, while local players expressed gratitude for the opportunity to participate in such empowering initiatives.
Manipur is the only state, the government body is supporting them. Meghalaya we tried earlier also, but still we are looking for support. The support of government is must. Even the RPD Act, they are bound to it, and still we are still looking them why they are not giving them opportunities. It is a fundamental rights to get the assistive technology such as wheelchairs. That if you have an indoor basketball court, they should be having a wheelchair, but because of federation also we are working for it, so we gave them through ICRC we donated them 12 wheelchairs and 24 to Manipur and Assam region.